Aero seems to be dropping harder than the majority of other altcoins, and is now the time to be selling. Now guys, when you look at this chart, you think, oh my goodness, should I be selling my Aero? Now, I'm going to make it very clear to you guys, I have not sold a single penny of my Aero bag just yet. And I don't plan to be selling anytime soon either. Now, just for clarity, these have been my buys all the way since I started buying Aero, right? So I bought Aero at $1.34, $1.08, 97, 87. And now I'm thinking about getting one final DCA bag of Aero. We're down 74%, guys. Okay, so it is not easy to stomach, and I understand that's why the majority of people who maybe got in a bit higher, or even if they got in at like my levels, are finding it really, really tough to hold. But there's some key bits of information that we need to be looking through before we do decide whether or not we do just sell our entire bag. Now, the sentiment's at an all-time low, guys. I mean, look at this chart. Look at the day. We're down 8% for the day, which sucks. It's been probably the worst performing coin in my entire portfolio over the past month. And when you go to CoinMarketCap and you scroll down the side, people are starting to become bearish. I mean, you're looking at Anon here and he's saying it's a trash coin, it's dropped more than other coins, and the project's a scam. And they're saying that based on solely price. If the price was to go up, it wouldn't be a scam anymore. Now, you can either listen to Anon, or you can try and follow the smart money, guys. Completely up to you what you want to do. Now, Grayscale's research top 20 for Q3. Look at what's been listed in the top 20 potential assets. We go Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Ton, Chainlink. Fantastic coins. Render, super bullish. That one's been pumping like crazy. You come down to number 20 and you've got Aerodrome, ticker symbol Aero. And the theme of this is the ETH ecosystem, okay? The current market cap, it was 400 million, it's now 300 million, but Grayscale have got it in their top 20 coins for Q3 of 2024. You can see that Grayscale is the world's largest digital currency asset manager, the world's largest, okay? And how much Bitcoin, how much crypto do they have? You can see they've got 275,000 Bitcoin. And for all of you guys who want to know how much that is in dollars, that is 17.2 billion worth of Bitcoin. Now, currently, Aero, it's not in their holdings, guys, okay? You can see that the Grayscale Trust includes all of these tokens here, okay? So you've got a select few tokens. Do you want to be getting in on tokens once they've been added to this list, or when Grayscale are starting to look at it and potentially could be adding it to the list? I want to say, look guys, please be careful of just acting out of price action. And again, you guys can do whatever you want to do. I'm not here to say, you know, you have to sell, you have to hold your Aero bags forever, or if you're down, don't sell. But that's how a lot of people get wrecked in the market. They sell into these corrections and then they try to play catch up once we've broken out of this wedge. And these falling wedge patterns here, they're usually quite bullish on the breakout, guys. It's just that all this way down here is super painful for investors, and seeing the portfolio start to drop is super painful as well. But I would hope that all of you guys are well diversified, and this allows me to hold on to coins like this, which I still have conviction in, guys. I mean, you can see here on the RSI, we're actually starting to form a bullish divergence, which is usually an indicator to say, right, we're going to have a reversal in some price action pretty soon. And once we do break out of this falling wedge, have a retest, as long as we have the retest and we hold, it's going to be getting very, very bullish very quickly. Now, there's been a lot of FUD around the inflation and people selling off their tokens, selling off their rewards. But when we look here at the monthly volume is still beating Uniswap, guys. It's still beating it. And we're not even in the real bull run yet. So, again, that's another reason why I'm not selling any of my Aero tokens yet. And on top of this, guys, it looks like altcoins they're retesting some key support that we have been holding for years. Almost 4 years we've been holding this key support, guys. And look, if you were bullish on Aero above $1, I get that the token sell-offs, they do suck right now. Once people like Grayscale or larger institutions start to pick up Aero, once the retail starts to come back into Aero, then look, we could be having a reversal pretty quickly. We're only a $300 million market cap, guys. It doesn't take that much to be reversing the price of Aero. If we were a multi-billion-dollar market cap right now, I'd say, right, okay, you know, this is getting a little bit tricky to be making our life-changing wealth, but we're not even at a $500 million market cap right now, guys. So you need to be making a decision whether or not you do have faith in Aero. You do think that being the largest DEX on base, they are going to start to get a lot of market share. The fact that they actually have a service and a platform that is fully functional right now, and the fact that they are making money. Do you want to be selling a project like that at this stage of the bull run before even the majority of our alts have had a reversal? And being that it's a newer coin and it's had its rally and now it's having a retracement, it's going to get a lot of scrutiny, guys. But we have to remember, look at all of our top altcoins. A lot of our top altcoins are still down 70+%. Okay, coins that have been here from previous cycles that people are still investing into are down 70+%, guys. Okay, and these are at multi-billion-dollar market caps. So you guys need to make your decision whether or not you want to be completely out of Aero, or if you want to just be patient and wait for a reversal in price. Because believe me, guys, once we do break out of this falling wedge, the sentiment's going to change like that. It's going to change so quickly. And I'm going to be taking screenshots of everything on crypto Twitter, all of the negative comments around Aero. I've got them there in my stash, and we're going to make a video like later on this year once Aero does have its reversal, and we're going to say this is why you don't listen to anons on Twitter. You try and just change your psychology from looking at the price to looking at the fundamentals and looking at the number of coins you hold. So that's it. People are still going to leave quite negative comments on this video. I do understand this is not me saying that you have to buy or that you have to hold. You guys can do whatever the hell you want, but for now I am holding on to my Aero tokens. You guys let me know what you're doing in the comments. And again, if you got this far, please be sure to smash that like button, go and drop me a sub for more Aero content. See you in the next one. Peace, guys.